Hi, I'm Dan Renicky with Unknown Media, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a stereoscopic image. When making a stereoscopic image, the only thing that you have to do is move the camera along the x-axis. The distance will vary depending on your lens length and how far from the lens your subject is located, but there are charts online that will do that math for you. Now, you would take a photo just as you would normally take any other photo, and then from there you'd move the camera to a set distance to the side, then snap off the same photo. Now what this does is create two very similar images, but because of the camera move, you'll be able to establish depth. So once you have your two images shot, you will set these images side by side. They're going to look very similar, but when you cross your eyes, the images come together and they look three-dimensional. And that is how you make a stereoscopic image. I'm Dan Renicky. Take your best shot.